Okay, so here's your nice case. Say you just got your camera from Costco. Got your nice case here. Looks really good. What we're going to do here is just give it a little bit of unboxing. Open her up. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like straight out of the package. You have your USB, your mounting points, 2 batteries, the camera itself, and up here is the owner's manual, some stickers. Oh, look at this. Very fancy. I like that. I think I'll be using the blue ones. I like the blue. And then we got a 128 gig SanDisk Extreme. And you know, getting it from Costco, you know it's legit. There's a lot of fakes online, so I suggest finding a good source for that. And then here's a little mounting point. I'm trying not to jump ahead to my accessory mounts here, but we'll cover those in a second. Just rolling over here, we have 2 Enduro batteries, so 1 and 2 included. That's nice because those are a $25 value. Online, those are 25 bucks. And then this is the camera itself. Some mounting points. And below here is your little USB. So to get started, we really just need 1 battery. And let's kind of get the camera. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, so we'll have to shut off our little camera or our phone monitor here. But we'll just pull this out. Oh, there's a little pull tab here. That's easy. Oh. Never mind. I gotta stop working out. We'll just slide it. Okay. I like to keep everything nice and neat, so we're just gonna put all this back in here. Okay. Now, looking at the camera itself, this is your quick start button here. You can hit this and it'll start recording immediately. This is your mode. You can change between video, time-lapse, photos, that sort of thing. Your rear screen, your front screen. On the GoPro line, it's just the rear screen that's touch. You do have a front screen that you can monitor, but it's just the rear that's selectable. And then below here you have your, this is what's really nice, this is one thing the DJI cameras don't have for sure. This is just your little, I don't know what the measurement is, like 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch little standard camera threaded mount. You can see it there. Mount it to a tripod, something like that. In addition to that, it's magnetic. And then lastly, basically the only one I use are the little feet. So it has your little screw and feet. Yeah, so with your mount, you can obviously mount it to your little feet there, put it on like a helmet, a car, something like that. But what I'll be showing you at the end is my Motovlog setup, which includes a helmet mount. So this will kind of go in like that. Let's see. So to get started with this, to open the camera, you just pull down on the right-hand side, open it. We will be putting in, what we're going to do is put in our, we're going to skip the 128 that includes, we're just going to use that for like our drone. But here, I have a 512, so that's what we'll be using. Now, when you insert these SD cards, see the label on it. We're looking at the label, not the contacts, but the label. The label will be facing you. It just drops in. Wait, wait. If I put that okay, yeah. So it will just be facing you. I wanted to make sure that was seated. So like label, like the print on it, just have it when you're looking at the screen, and that just pushes back. Weird. Maybe not. Yeah, okay, I was completely right. I don't know what I was doing, but yeah, have it face you and pop it in there. And then the battery, it's kind of the opposite. Well, when you're loading the battery in, the QR code will be facing you. And I'll just pop in there. Now, you can turn it on. And it'll probably come up with a little welcome screen. And at this point, we're probably going to have to lose my monitor here, because it's going to need that to update. GPS, we'll do on, voice control off. Now from here, you have to start using the quick app. Okay, so I think I can close this. So here we have our quick app open. And I'm just going to make sure my camera's still recording. Yep. Okay. So yeah, 13 black. We got our phone here. So this, you can obviously create an account or sign in. You know, if you have a GoPro subscription, that sort of thing. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and hit continue as guest. Do you own a GoPro? Set up your GoPro now. Now you just want to make sure Bluetooth is on your phone. Allow GoPro Quick to find. Allow. We found your GoPro. Connect. Pair. Cool. Looks like both screens are functional, so that's always good. Okay, so camera paired. We'll just keep ours as Hero 13 Black 2. Save name. Now it's probably going to make sure okay, that's fine. Looks like it's going to try and run a firmware update. Okay, looks like we have an update. So we'll just hit continue, accept and continue. And I think this download is about 150 megabytes. Just something to keep in mind, like for your cell phone data. Sorry, this isn't the most exciting segment. I just wanted to film this unedited for you guys. Even with me struggling with that SD card, I got these freaking fingers. It's sometimes those little pieces are tough to work with, and we'll keep that in for you. Okay, installing the update. After this updates, we're just going to shut off Bluetooth because I won't need to be connected anymore. And then we're just going to switch back to the monitor on the DJI camera. Looks like we're just kind of installing now. I was going to do a couple restarts. Update complete. I know that was very exciting. Thanks for watching all this. So it looks like we're back. Okay. So as soon as this updates, wow, look at that. With my 512 card, I don't know what mode we're on, but it says we have 21 hours. Okay, up to date. So let's go ahead and get out of here. No auto upload. No. Let's go. Okay, so that's exciting. Whoops. I think I just closed it. Okay. Let's get connected here. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay. So what have we done so far? I've showed you kind of the unboxing, the camera itself. We've turned it on. We've updated. Now we need to format the memory card and just make sure that that's all good. So to do that, we'll be swiping down, preferences, reset, format, and then format. And this is just going to make sure we're starting fresh. Okay. Got our time already set. It just sets through the app. That's nice. Okay. So let me just take you on a brief overview of how the screen and everything works. To swipe down, that will be all your settings. To go over, this is like managing your SD card and such. It'll show you your size and your gigs used. Going back, your main setting, including volume, beeps, brightness, orientation of the screen, front and rear camera. Going over one, you'll have pair device. So this is if you want to use a Bluetooth headset or a microphone, you'll go to pair device. There's controls, preferences. Under controls, we'll be going to Pro, which is just simply provides all the settings. Just to do a super quick setup of how I set up mine for motorcycling, we're just going to go to standard, 16:9, 4K, 60, super view, auto boost on. Color will be 10-bit. Standard bitrate, switch that to high, which provides the full picture quality. Then EV, just so you avoid blown out colors like during sunset, you're going to go to negative 0.5. ISO 100 min, and then ISO max 1600. For me, I put sharpness to low, denoise high, color natural. Now down here, you have your audio settings. You can do raw audio on or off, audio tuning, wind reduction. Me personally, I use wind reduction on auto, and you're going to pair it with a Wind Slayer mount, which I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, well that's basically the camera. Say you're using this camera in high wind environments, I suggest this mod. I'm just going to show you two things, well, a couple things actually. Now we're moving on to accessories. So here you have this is a foam mount, and it's just basically a GoPro cutout, and it fits the GoPro exactly, and it reduces wind noise. So it works really good. This is called a Wind Slayer. Our next accessory will be our helmet mount. So this goes on our helmet, and it's just a chin strap, and then the GoPro will connect to it just like this, and then you'll have just a nice helmet setup. Our third accessory will be the DJI Mic 2. Say you want to vlog or do interviews, or just have this, I'll show you how I have this set up. I have a strip of Velcro on it, and this is strapped inside of my helmet. It's just stuck there. So say I'm vlogging and the motorcycle. This will just be like this. You'll be vlogging. Besides that, say you have a Cardo headset or any kind of headset that you're using in your helmet. This is just an off-brand. Works for me just as good. And what this does is you can just simply connect this to the Bluetooth. I'm going to show you that right now. So to do that, so we'll just go, I'm just going to show you this real quick. So to power on our unit, we're just going to go to power on. And this really works with any any Bluetooth mic that you'd like to use. So you see this here. Now we're just going to go to hold down this to pair it. Okay, hopefully you can still hear me because the mic 2 was paired to my action, so the audio probably went funny for a second. Now we'll go down here, over to pair device, and it says ready to pair. So there it is, DJI Mic 2. To connect to this, you'll just tap that, and then you'd have a microphone Bluetooth connect to the GoPro. I think that'll do it for this video. I get all my batteries charged and get ready for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped out anyone, just please subscribe or like, and I'll answer any questions you have. Sorry, my desk is a little bit of a mess at the moment. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. And again, this bundle is available at Costco. I picked it up for $3.19 USD. Normal price is $3.89, but they regularly go on sale, so I'm sure you'll get a good price on it as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.